Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a Stumble Mai from the game Stumble Guys. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, gray, dark brown, light brown, blue, light blue, light orange, and red. This drawing is 32 squares tall and 22 squares wide. We'll start by skipping 11 squares from left to right. In square number 12, mark 1 with black color. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Again, bottom left 2 horizontally. Once more, bottom left 2 horizontally. Bottom left 1. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Top right 1. Top right 2 vertically. Top right 10 horizontally. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Top right 2 diagonally. Top left 1. Top left 2 horizontally. Top left 2 horizontally. Top left 2 horizontally. Again, top left 2 horizontally. From this square, down 3 vertically. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 2 vertically. From this to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, down 4 vertically. Bottom left 2 vertically. Bottom left 2 vertically. From this square, left 5 horizontally. From this square, down left 2 diagonally. Bottom left 6 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 3 horizontally. Top right 2 diagonally. Top left 1. Top left 3 vertically. From this square, right 4 horizontally. From this square, up 4 horizontally. Top right 6 vertically. From this square, down 3 vertically. Bottom left 3 horizontally. From this square, up 1. From this square, left 6 horizontally. From this square, up 1. From this square, down left 4 vertically. Bottom right 3 horizontally. Top right 4 vertically. In the right line, mark these 2 vertically. Bottom right 5 horizontally. Top right 1. Top left 1. Now we color in all the squares we marked. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be part of the Pixeler Club. In the top corner, I leave the link to my other channel with over 1,000 drawings tutorial waiting for you. Now, take the gray color and mark these 4 vertically. In the right line, mark these 8 vertically. In the right line, mark 8 vertically. In the right line, now mark 3 vertically. In the right line, now mark 4 vertically. Here, mark 1. Now mark the 6 vertically. In the left line, mark this 4 vertically. Again, in the left line, mark 4 vertically. In the left line, mark 3 vertically. In the left line, mark 2 vertically. Now we color. Take black color again, and from this square, down mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares to the left and mark 2 vertically. Now we color. Now take the dark brown and here mark 3 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square upward and mark 3 horizontally. Here, mark 5 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Now we color the squares we marked in the next area of the hat. Here we mark this and color it. Now take the light brown and color the rest of the hat. Continue with the light orange. From this square, left 1. From this square, left 3 horizontally. In the bottom line, mark this 4 horizontally. In the bottom line, 5 horizontally. In the bottom line, 3 horizontally. Here mark 2 vertically. From this square, down to the right 4 horizontally. Mark these 3 horizontally. Here 3 horizontally. Mark these 2 horizontally. Here 1. Now we color all the squares we marked and also the entire face area. Take red. And here mark 3 horizontally. Here mark 5 horizontally. Top right 1. bottom right 2 horizontally. From the C-square up 6 vertically. From the C-square up 1. Now color all the squares we marked. Continue with blue and here mark 3 horizontally. Here mark 2 vertically. In the right line 4 vertically. In the right line, mark this 4 vertically. In the right line, mark this 5 vertically. Here 4 vertically. In the right line, 3 vertically. Top right 1. Here 4 horizontally. Here 2 horizontally. In the bottom line, 2 horizontally. And we color. Now take the light blue and I'll mark this entire area. I'm going to color to avoid going over the light orange area. And now we color it. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you made it to this part of the video, let me know what skin you use in this game. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. Sending you a big kiss and hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!